So here we are with our 2015 Road Code winners. The competition was stiff this Road Code season. Let's recap.
First up, we have Amy and Tyler. They were the first to crack the code, get on the road, and find the mother lode. Congrats, booty hunters.
Next we have the Jedi Palco Masters. This treacherous trio said goodbye to the trail and now have an epic tale, the Force.
Now, the dedicated duo diced up the code in the morning light and pinched the gold before the night. Proof that you gotta want it.
The Switchback Shaker Gabriel Nunez ate the code for breakfast and took the gold for lunch. Awesome job.
Outlaws Ryan and Roy had some heat on their heels, but now they know how winning gold feels.
Feels good.
Our very own Roadzilla, always the man with the plan, now he's part of the Road Code clan. Now retired and out of the game, learn from him and claim your fame.
Last but not least, and this man is a beast, a three-time champ with the Road Code stamp, the Booty Bandit, baby.
Road code! You gotta want it.